Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be discussing Glow Recipes Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This is going to be a buyer beware because I don't like this. I don't think it's good for anyone. And if you want to find out why, keep watching. Thank you so much for coming to this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of the great skincare, hair care, beauty, makeup, travel, tech, all the videos that I put here on this channel. You're definitely going to want to watch and see what is going on. So make sure you hit those buttons now. That way you won't miss out. So we are going to talk about Glow Recipe Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser, Makeup Erasing and Deep Cleanser. So first of all, Glow Recipe is an amazing brand and they have so many wonderful products. However, this is not one of them. I bought numerous Glow Recipe kits for the holiday season because, you know, then that gives you like a chance to try the products in a smaller size to see if it's worth the money. In terms of the full size Glow Recipe products I use, the sleep mask, which I'll do a video on also, the gel moisturizer, and what else did I use from Glow Recipe regularly? Those were the main things that I used. So in order to get the sleep mask at a discount, I was like, oh, I'm gonna buy the sleep mask and the moisturizer and the moisture makeup spray kit. And then I'm on the other side, I'm gonna get the retinol eye cream, the banana souffle face cream, and this cleanser. Because, you know, everybody says Glow Recipe is amazing. I like some of their stuff. Let me try it. This cleanser is trash. One, it's a foaming cleanser. A foaming cleanser is whether you have dry skin, combination skin, oily skin, they just abuse your skin. Like, think about it. If you have a stain, you can take soap and water and a sponge and remove the stain, or you can take some kind of acid cleaner and pour it on the stain and just destroy everything, but technically the stain is gone, right? So this is the version of the acid cleaner, right? I don't know what kind of blueberry juice is in this, but it is so stripping from your face. It takes out all the moisture, all the life. Anything that promising that your face had to offer is going to be gone by the time you wash with this. But what's hilarious is not only does it strip all the moisture and oils from your skin, it then doesn't remove the makeup. So basically what I do to remove my makeup normally is I use Philosophy Purity Made Simple. I wash my face the first time to remove the makeup. Wash my face a second time to wash my face, and a third time if I have glitter makeup. I would wash my face 3 times with this and there would still be makeup left behind, and then I gotta go use the Philosophy to wash my face. Like, it was just so stripping, so drying. Your face feels so tight afterward. It was so bad. I just don't understand how Glow Recipe got this so wrong. I mean, granted, I'm guessing that it's supposed to be for people who have severely oily skin, because that way it'll strip like that oil. But the thing is, it didn't even take care of the oil in my T-zone. It was still problematic. So I'm just like, you're not getting rid of the oil, but you're not clearing my skin, but you're stripping it of the moisture. So what are you doing? What are you doing? So, really disappointed, really over it. Do not spend your money on Glow Recipes Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. This stuff is just too abrasive. It's too rough. I know I have sensitive skin, but I can't imagine that anybody wants to be this rough and abusive to their skin regardless of whether it's sensitive or not. Like, this is just too much. It's too much. So don't get this. Buyer beware. Other Glow Recipe stuff, cute. This is a lot. So I'm gonna see if maybe they have another cleanser that's more gentle or something, but this, whew, this girl is not good for your skin. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.